social media. But that's one terrorist organization, social media. Social media is a terrorist organization. What they do, put somebody in his comfort room and formulate stories, and you will swear that it's true. So, social media is a terrorist organization that we must deal with. Security agencies must deal with this terrorist organization called social media.
Some people, they clap, then they happy. Then they clap, say the man talk sense. Because I don't understand.
The way support put them, now say, terrorists that they use social media, they propagate what they do. They pass information.
The painful part be say, some people will come from the part of the country where you come from, waiting for talk this thing now. As he don't talk now, so they don't believe him. No, they don't believe and they don't accept them.
Them now start to go talk to
so
social
if you
media.
can't they use social media, yes. Tunde not now
na bukwa.
Linda Keji na terrorists.
Unknown gunmen.
No, that one go be Gist Love and Insta blog.
Now those be unknown
gunmen.
Chook pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.